This is a tripod and it gets really heavy really fast whenever you're carrying around your camera gear. But what if I told you that I have a solution for you, but also make it easy for you to document your journey as a content creator? Well, let me introduce you to the Lume Mobile Creator Kit 2.0. And just a heads up, Lume did send this to me for review, but I always promise to be honest about everything that I like and what I don't like about the kit. So let's talk about it. So what comes with the Mobile Creator Kit 2.0? Well, first off, you get a nice little travel bag, which keeps everything nice and tidy, and it doesn't take up too much space, which again is perfect for travel. You also end up getting, of course, your tripod. You get an attachment for your cell phone device, which holds it and mounts onto the tripod. You also end up getting a light, so that way you always look good in front of the camera, because that does matter. And then of course you also end up getting a microphone, which is going to up the quality of your audio. Oh, and last but not least, of course you get your, cables, chargers, things like that, things that matter but don't really matter. Anyways, let's continue and talk about what we like and don't like. There's one thing that crossed my mind is, who is this kit even for? And really, it's for anybody. You don't have to specifically be a content creator. I mean, it does help, but anybody can use this kit, whether if you're doing this professionally or whether if you're just having fun with it. So there's actually a lot of things that I really like a lot about this kit. In fact, this right here is probably my favorite thing about it. And this essentially is just a little wireless trigger remote that attaches to the tripod itself, but comes right off. But really what this lets me do is it lets me capture photos and it lets me start the video with a simple click of a button. Makes life a lot easier. I think we've all kind of been there. If you've ever recorded yourself like pressing the button, running away, and then starting your walk, it's always awkward, but this kind of eliminates that. And it's just nice to have because I don't have to worry, oh, did I press that button? Is it really recording? Boom, click, I know that it's recording. Now, another thing is the build quality of this is really, really good. Lume does not joke around when it comes to quality, and it's actually really easy to use. So to go ahead and open up the legs, there's a button that you just press right here, opens up the legs, and to extend the tripod, it's just like a twist and turn mechanism. So you just twist it, pull up, twist again, pull up. So far, I've been enjoying it, and it's made life, honestly, a little bit easier when it comes to creating content like this, which is a vlog style. So really, really neat. Okay, so I'm gonna be pretty vulnerable with you right now. This video, it's been fun so far to start creating, but also it's been a little difficult because I normally film within the walls of my home and not in a vlog style like this. So one thing that I've wanted to kind of do is start putting myself out there a little bit more, and feedback would be appreciated. So hopefully you're enjoying this so far. Got this cave right behind me. Perfect opportunity to begin talking about the things that I would like to see changed for the next mobile creator kit. So let's go ahead and talk about it. One thing that I don't like about this kit is the clip that comes to hold your phone. I just feel like it could be... Okay, let's pause for just a moment here. I was about to tell you all the reasons why I don't like this clip for my cell phone. And the reason for that is because the day that I was filming and I was using it, it was like flopping around everywhere. So it was hard to, get a shot that I wanted. And it also made me feel like not super secure about my cell phone being on here. And I say that because I also had a little accident. Well, it turns out that it's actually on my fault because Lume provides you with this little L wrench right here, and you just basically tighten up these little sockets on the side, and it gives this clip a lot more strength, a lot more, I guess you could say, resistance. So now that I've done that and I have my S24 Ultra on here, I mean, the thing doesn't budge. Like, it stays still no matter how heavy my phone is. So actually, I really, really recommend this a lot. And the only other change that I would like to see is the microphone, because the microphone comes with a lightning cable to attach to your iPhone, so that way you could use it to capture that good audio. However, I'm using Android. And us Android people need some love too. And in fact, the lightning cable is being phased out now that iPhone has transitioned over to USB-C. So let's start including USB-C for these types of things. So I'm gonna cut in one more time to talk about this microphone. I actually ended up buying a separate device right here so I could plug in to my Android to use this microphone. And well, this is how it turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in here and let's see if it works on the R5. If it doesn't, then I don't know. Okay, I officially have this plugged into the Canon R5. I'm talking a little bit quiet because the microphone is very, very close to me, but this is what it sounds like. Let me know what you think. So now the big question is the mobile creator kit worth buying? And I want to say yes, but under certain circumstances. I like to use my camera with all the other lenses and things of that nature for the best quality possible. And cell phone does a good job. Don't get me wrong, it does. But if you don't have all that equipment already, because it gets expensive really, really fast, then yes, I would recommend the mobile creator kit because you get everything that you need to get started. Oh, but not only that, I can also get you a discount. Check the description down below and use my code at checkout. And in fact, LumeCube even makes some studio lights if you like to film indoors instead. You can check the video out right here of me reviewing those lights.